Hello, welcome back to another video. Okay, it's your girl Renee, and today we're back with another cleaning video. So today I'm going to be cleaning my man's game room slash his office space, just his man cave, okay? Y'all see, it just got out of hand. So I'm going to help him out and yeah, clean up his room. Try to organize some things. Some things I'm like, I don't know where things he likes stuff, but I guess he don't really care because it's all over the place. But yeah, I'm not really going to talk during this video. I'm going to just let y'all vibe and clean with me. If y'all cleaning yourselves, just give y'all that motivation. And, you know, let's have a gospel clean day. Enjoy.
Lion of Judah, we bow down and worship you, Yahweh, Yahweh. Come and do what only you can do. Ooh, ilele kasulo saya. Thank you, Jesus. Kyori ki pati karo, impukia kia ye karo. Kyori ki pati sina, impukia kia sina ya. O kyori ki papun, tiene a emete puna. O tisi e pukia, a kaina no pukaya. Papunin goy, tisaka tukia oraki. Ao saka meu, nakumi karo ai kone karo ya. Papunin goy tikavai, tiku awati meu. Sinataro meu rigo, papunin goy we am on my back. Mighty man of war, Lion of Judah, we bow down and worship you, Yahweh, Yahweh. Come and do what only you can do.
You're the God that kills and also make alive. You're the lion, yet you are the Lamb of God. Yahweh, Yahweh, come and do what only you can do. You are my glory and the lifter of my head. Of your name, oh God of thunder, you're the God of fire. Come and do what only you can do. Mighty man of war, Lion of Judah, we bow down and worship you. Come and do what only you can do.
Mighty man of war,
Mighty man of war,
mighty man of war,
Lion of Judah,
Lion of Judah.
we bow down,
We bow
and
down,
worship you,
worship you,
Yahweh,
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 Yahweh, Yahweh.
Come and do
Come and
what only you can do.
Mighty man de Cristo, Osaka meu. Ike bonang hindi tayo ko tete. Nako na no, hako po kay. Ko kairay, oh my Cristo. Our King God forever,
Mighty
amen.